The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Hello, everyone. Calm for us right now, but you don't have to go too far towards the north, even into Pocahontas County, to find a little bit of the rainfall that's switching over right now. I do want to show you on the radar that we've got the amount of rain is especially concentrated off towards the west near the Charleston radar site. But to look at the amount of shear, so the difference in direction of the rainfall, it's existent. There is technically some difference in which direction the rain is going, but a lot of it is pretty minimal right now. So that might just be one low. Next one, it's going 4 miles per hour in the other direction. Again, not exactly impressive right this minute. Not looking at a good chance of rotation as this moves further down towards the south. Any of that is staying further towards Charleston, and it looks like it's going to kind of run into itself before it would actually head our direction. I do want to show you the heat index future tracker for the rest of today, since heat is going to be our main problem in the afternoon. Through noon, a lot of our temperatures are in the 80s and up towards the 90s, feeling like that. Because of the clouds that we get this morning from that system, it'll help hold our actual temperatures down. And I think maybe 1 or 2 spots takes a run at 100 for the heat index, but a lot of us look to stay a little bit below that. Then as we get towards this evening, the humidity drops, the temperatures drop, and it's not going to be a problem. Tomorrow's temperatures look cooler than what we've got for today. A lot of us are closer to 90 there by a degree or 2, and there's just less humidity to go around behind this front. Now, Sunday's when we see the real difference in temperatures. That's going to drop us down into the low to mid 80s and feel pretty comfortable throughout the day. But we've got another round of isolated storms a little later on Sunday, so neither day this weekend is exactly great. I do think Saturday showers are pretty isolated. Most of the information we've got coming in at this point keeps it pretty light and scattered, with Sunday afternoon going into Monday being a better chance of storms. They'll start in our region and then move off towards Richmond as we go through the night into Monday. But Monday and Tuesday still have storm chances because of what's out in the Atlantic. There's a system down that has moved over into the Caribbean at this point that has a 70% chance of developing as it goes towards Florida. And again, that could just end up being tropical depression. Doesn't necessarily mean it's going to get all the way to hurricane status. But then we've got Tropical Storm Franklin further towards the east. Now, that low pressure means that there's a lot of high pressure that builds up against it on the eastern side of the country, and that looks to keep this next system mostly south of us. All in all, that means that there's systems getting close to us from the Atlantic, but big, strong, high pressure pushes the bulk of it away. We get little pieces of showers and storms that try to come on shore, and that's why we still have storm chances into next week. Blacksburg's at 90 today, Alta Vista at 95. Again, I just don't think a lot of spots are going to get as warm as they could be because of our morning cloud cover, and then temperatures are around 70 overnight. On the extended forecast, we cool a little bit tomorrow. The humidity is lower there, and then we have a lot cooler temperatures going into next week. We still have those systems trying to bring some storms on, so I think Monday and Tuesday still have showers. We'll dry out by the middle of next week.